How about video game parties to your house? Rolling Video Games. It's a mobile video game theater that people are ordering online, like they order a pizza or groceries. Comes to the house for the birthday. The kids love it. They're in heaven. The moms love it because there's no mess in the house. That American house can have a video game birthday party right in front of their house, and they end up spending less than they would if they went to one of those big crowded birthday places. You end up earning about 91% of the profit. Of course, you own this. You can. We've sold them all over the United States, and there's probably not many in your area. This is how many we've sold in Georgia. This is how many we've sold in California. This is how many we've sold in Texas. Check your area and you can see if there's one there. And if you don't have much money, don't worry about it. Rolling Video Games is approving everyone for loans. That's right, as long as you can put 25% down and it's for a limited time. Isn't it nice that you've discovered something that's not selling online? If you've ever considered a franchise or some ready-to-go business, consider this. If they came to you and said, we'll loan you 75% of the capital, would you do it? One door closes, another door opens, and this could be your door opening. Having a job, having a business that makes people happy. And what's healthier than that? You don't have to have business experience to do Rolling Video Games. You don't even have to be a professional at video games. You don't even have to like video games. You really do have to like people. Because making people happy is what you're going to be doing. Three powerful entities here. You've got the video game industry combined with the delivery industry, which is booming, and then you also have the birthday party industry. You know, it's a lot of fun to pull up with a video game party and make people happy. And this is not a food truck, okay? This is not a truck you've got to stock up with all the products and pass all the food permits and have staff preparing it. This is something that's all ready to go. It's clean, it's ready, it's connected, and all you have to do is be friendly and be on time. That's a no-brainer. Remember, it wasn't that long ago when something was a household name, wasn't a household name. Rolling Video Games is going to be in your neighborhood. Are you going to be the one that has it? See if we're a good fit for each other. Rolling Video Games.